आपण मारणीच देणार संसातून सांजेच्या वेळाल पाडूया पासोय बोटाव कारा जेवण पडबो जेवण सगळ्यांनी गाव म्हणू गोयचो आम्ही गोयांना गोयताव म्हणू म्हणून नाचून दिसले सांगाव म्हणू गोयचो आम्ही गोयांना गोयताव म्हणू म्हणून नाचून दिसले सांगाव
Wishing everybody a very happy Goa Liberation Day. We have to recount the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters, because of which we are free today, and everyone knows what progress we have made, how Goa is marching forward, how the in tune with the work being done at national level. Goa is today in a very strong position as one of the most progressive states. I wish all the Goans all the very best. Let us continue to make our state a lovely place. We let us solve the problems in an amicable manner, following the due process of observing rules and regulations, and make it a healthy place to live in.